So today we'll be starting with a new set of series, that is your even series, ठीक है? And in the previous class we solved certain questions on reverse series, ठीक है? Okay, so now what basically even series is? Even series होता क्या है? So even series is जहाँ पे every alternate letter starting from A is deleted, मतलब A से start होते हुए हर alternate letter को अगर हम delete करते हैं तो जो भी letter हमारे पास बचता है that is your even series. मतलब A से start होता है, A को हटा देंगे, हमारे पास बचा B, then alternate letter B बचा तो C को remove करेंगे, D बचेगा, E को remove करेंगे, बचेगा F. So this series that will be formed, that will be your even series, ठीक है? So अगर हम लिखें तो A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. ठीक है? Now let's give them a count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. ठीक है? तो ये हमारे पास है टोटल. इन टोटल we have 13. ठीक है? This is 10 and this is 12. Okay, now let's write the actual position, जो इनकी actual position है. 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 and 26. Okay, now one simple question. क्या हमें इस पोजीशन और इस पोजीशन में कोई भी रिलेशन दिख रहा है? इज देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन 13 एंड 26? इज देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन 12 24 और 11 22 और 10 20 9 18 8 16 7 14 एंड सो ऑन? कोई भी रिलेशन है? तो द आंसर इज यस. तो रिलेशन क्या है? इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 13 बाय 2 26, 12 into 2 24, 11 into 2 22, 10 into 2 20, 9 into 2 18, 8 into 2 16, 7 into 2 14, then 6 into 2 12, 5 into 2 10, 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 into 2 is 4 and obviously 1 into 2 is 2. So relation क्या है? into 2 करके आंसर है, मतलब basically into 2 is your answer. ठीक है? Okay. Now moving on to the questions. Let's see questions कैसे हैं and how do we have to solve them. Okay, so the question says if every alternate letter starting from A is deleted, ठीक है, then which letter will be fourth to right or fifth from left? Now the trick is इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का, each and everything is same, position same है, so we have to subtract. if positions are different then we have to add, but the trick over here is जो भी position आएगी हमें उसे into 2 करना है और तभी ये होगा when the position is from left. मतलब जो ये जो पोजीशन है वो लेफ्ट होगी then only this trick will work. So चलो इस क्वेश्चन में तो let's see कि यहाँ पे लेफ्ट है, we know over here we have left, मतलब into 2 की जो ट्रिक है that will work. तो फिफ्थ फ्रॉम लेफ्ट एंड फोर्थ फ्रॉम राइट, तो पोजिशंस डिफरेंट हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू ऐड 5 + 4 is 9th letter from left, but this is not a normal alphabetical series, this is even alphabetical series. ठीक है? So this is even series. तो यहाँ पे हम into 2 करेंगे, 9 into 2 18th आएगा and 18th letter from left will be your answer. Now 18th letter जो 18th position है वो actual alphabetical series में जो 18th position है वो किस letter की है? R की. So R is your answer. Okay. Next question, again the question is same, that if every alternate letter starting from A is deleted then which letter will be fifth to right or fifth from left? Positions different, so what we have to do is we have to add 5 + 5 is 10th letter from left. Now 10th letter from left है, so जो हमारा ट्रिक है multiply 2 करने का, into 2 करने का, that will work. So 20th letter from left, that is T, and T is your answer. Next question, which letter will be third to left or 15 from right? Again positions are different, so we can easily solve it. We just have to add. ठीक है? So 5 + 3 6 7 8 8th to right. Okay. ये जो हमारा into 2 का जो ट्रिक है it will only work जब हमारा position left है, but over here the position is right. तो हम we'll use the concept of position interchange ताकि हम इस right जो position है we can convert it into left. ठीक है, तो पोजिशन इंटरचेंज का कंसेप्ट क्या है? टोटल प्लस 1 माइनस जो भी पोजिशन हमें चेंज करनी है. सो इफ वी सी वी हैव 13 letters. ठीक है, so now what we have to do is 13 plus 1 14. Okay, so 13 plus 1 is 14th letter. ठीक है, मतलब 14 in total, so 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 कितना होता है? 9 10 plus 4 6. Sixth letter from left. Okay, so now 6 into 2 is 12th letter from left, and 12th letter from left is L, which is your answer. Next question is which letter will be fourth to right of 10th from right? Again, the positions are same, so what we have to do is we have to subtract, right? 10 minus 4 is 6th letter from right. Now again position right है, हमें 14 minus 6 करना है, so 6 plus 4 करेंगे 10 आएगा, उधर प्लस 4 और है 14 बनाने के लिए, सो इन टोटल 8, राइट? सो 8 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट, हमारा जो पोजीशन आया 8 फ्रॉम लेफ्ट आया. ओके, नाउ ट्रिक क्या है? इनटू 2 करने का, तो 8 into 2 is 16th letter from left, and 16th letter from left is P. P is your answer. इजोटे के ट्रिक के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं. इफ O is 15 तो ऑब्वियसली P 16 होगा. ठीक है, ओके, सो this is it for today, and if you have any doubt please mention it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you.